Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Cancers. So that may clear doubts or confusion you have in your situation, guys, Cancers. So first let's start with these cards for your general energies, guys. We have tree, birds, and book. So Cancers, in your situation today, guys, you are trying hard, doing your best. Maybe you want a secure future, or you want to stabilize things in your career situation, guys, or you are trying to build that strong foundation in your relationship based on honesty, trust, love, and care. So you are moving towards that. You want a beautiful understanding with this person you love. You are trying to nurture this relationship, deepen this connection, maybe, guys. And maybe this relationship is your karmic cycle, guys. This connection is bringing out or inspiring you in a very positive way, bringing out your positive nature, your positive side. So it is inspiring you in a very positive way. And maybe for some of you, you are making some important choices for this connection. So you are taking people's ideas or suggestions, maybe asking them what needs to be done in your situation, taking their valuable suggestions, guys, Cancers. And you have friends and family giving you advice on what needs to be done today, and you are doing your best, trying to resolve some situation. Maybe you may be seeing some problems. There may be some lack of clarity in your work situation or in your relationship. Some kind of doubts may be there. That is the reason you are asking people their suggestions, guys, and ideas. And Cancers, I also see that you are moving towards a better clarity. Maybe after speaking to the people close to you, you have a better understanding of your situation. You know the truth behind something, or for some of you, you are having that open communication with this person you love. So it may be your energy or their energy. Maybe they are curious, they want to know more about you, and they are finding out more about you, or you both are communicating deeply. So some things, your circumstances are helping you to have a deep, meaningful connection with this person. So that is what I see, guys. So you are working towards that strong, meaningful bond today, guys, in this relationship with this person. So you love them and you want a meaningful life with them. That is the reason we see these cards, guys, Cancers. And that is the reading with these cards, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can close your eyes, think about your situation, Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, so we will see what it is later. Now for this first card, for those who chose this card, it is regeneration. So in your situation, guys, in your life today, our practical living, our life is based on connections and relationship. So no matter what has happened in the past, maybe there has been some kind of ending in your life, some separation or something, some inevitable circumstance has taken you away from this person or taken them away from you. But you need not worry, guys, because there is love after any loss that you have faced, and right now you are in that regeneration, a time for a rebirth in your life today. So you are getting second chances, more authentic, more stronger than what you had before. So you will be able to build a better relationship with someone you love, and destiny is waiting to be fulfilled in wonderful ways for you right now, guys. And you are feeling overwhelmed with love or positive energy, so you have that positive energy surging up in you, waiting to connect with another person. So you need to understand that you are moving towards new opportunities or second chances, a time for a rebirth and new opportunities that are available to you right now in your love situation, or it may be even a situation in your career, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have taboos. So with this card, guys, for y'all in your circumstances today, you have met with a person. Maybe this may be someone new. You do not have a deep knowledge about this person, but this person is not what they seem to be, guys. They are hiding something, and they have some hidden motives or hidden past, something that could be dangerous to you and this connection. And if you are feeling curious to know more about this person, you should try to know more about them, find out more about them, guys. And if you have friends who are suggesting you certain things about this person, maybe whatever they heard, you should listen to them. You should not avoid what people who are your soul family, who are really close, who have that truthful concern on you, whatever they are telling you today or trying to tell you today, you should listen to it, guys, because it might take you towards truth. And in your situation, they may have a better clarity or better perception of what is going on, and they are here to help you and protect you. So you need to listen to them. So if you do not have that clarity or trust with this person whom you have met just now, whom you have known only for some time now, you have to be really careful, guys. That is the energy with this card. So you need to trust the people whom you can trust, on whom you have that or who have that total you have that total confidence. So you need to trust those people So listen to the family which loves you, and they will be able to see what you cannot see. Maybe you are up close and personal with this person, and your perception will be different from their perception. So you need to listen to the people who love you, guys. And maybe if you do not know this person deeply, you have to be careful with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.